It's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make an adorable pair of earrings using the Softlex Company Customer Appreciation Design Kit, California Dreaming? We'll be making these adorable little earrings with this orange and then beads from the design kit, and I will leave a link down below in the description if this kit is still available. But I will go ahead and link the unboxing to this fabulous kit, and down below in the description, leave a playlist tutorial link for all other creations I created with this kit. So it came with lapis softlex wire, but I like the metallic color for this little earring, and it's full of sparkle. And with California, Softlex Company is based in Sonoma, California, and Sonoma is known for their citrus, for the oranges and lemons. And then there's a little city or a town called Cloverdale. And President's Day weekend, they have a little festival, the Cloverdale Citrus Fair. So it's all things citrus, and they do really cool things with like murals, all that made out of oranges and lemons. So it's super fun. So if you're ever in the area around that time, there's little oranges in this kit. Um, because they're special to California and special to Sonoma for being one of the main producers of the citrus. Fun fact about Sonoma, because I know when everyone thinks Sonoma, for me, I automatically think Softlex Company, but there's like Bodega Bay, and it's a beautiful county to visit. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and I will leave a link down below in the description for all other earring inspiration. Let's start creating. So I cut about 5 or 6 inches of my Softlex wire in this beautiful metallic color, and I went ahead and added on a little gold jump ring, 6 millimeter, to my orange one. We're just going to slide that on. These are super lightweight earrings, and they're full of sparkle. Then we're going to add 2 of these little check glass 6 millimeter rounds, and they're a beautiful parative. Then we're going to add our little rhinestone bead. We have to have sparkle in the earring. What I like about making these earrings as well is they're super lightweight, they're fun to make, and they're also great for sparkle. So then we're going to add these little orange beads in, and they look like a peeled orange. Slide those on, and then 2 more green beads. We're going to slide on a 2 by 2. It doesn't matter which side you slide it on. We're going to take the opposite side of Softlex wire and pass it back through. And we'll create a little X. I'm going to hold the shorter side of the Softlex wire, and we're just going to loop back through our 2 by 2. And we're just going to make our adjustments as needed. And this top part with the loop is where your ear wire is going to connect. So we want to make sure that they are fairly the same size. And then we're just going to take our pliers and give it a little smash. And usually I'll rotate for a more professional finish, but just because where the placement of the beads are, it's okay just to flatten it without having to round it. We're going to take our nippers and trim off any extra Softlex wire, making sure not to trim our little loop. And then any leftover Softlex wire, be sure you save it for another project. And then we have our ear finding. We're just going to slide on and give it a close. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for all other earring inspiration and tutorials used with California Dreaming Design Kit. Have an awesome day.